it's Katie with WTI, and I don't always look this awesome, but when I am working on my hand-eye coordination, yeah, I look pretty cool. This set is so much fun. I really thought that I would put this on and be amazing at it, but I could not be more wrong. My hand-eye coordination needed a lot of work, and this is a great way to train it without injuring yourself. Sure, it hit me in the face, it hit me in my glasses, hit me in my chest, but this ball is really incredibly squishy and soft, and so no matter how hard you punch it, when it hits you back in the face, which it will, by the way, it's not gonna hurt. It's really soft. It's nice for not just for grown women, but also for kids. This is something that gets them off of screens, gets them moving around, gets them working on actual three-dimensional things, and it gets them interested in doing something. It's such a simple design that is really effective, not going to get you hurt, and most importantly, fun. It's a fun way to connect with your kids. It's a fun way to get moving. Check out this set by Boxerpoint. You're not going to be disappointed. Maybe in yourself, but not in the product. And that's my point of view.